Hey guys, today's topic is rearrangement of complex formula. I'm choosing random topics, but if you have any specific topic or question, feel free to ask me by writing down in the comments below. So I will start by reminding you of how to arrange a simple formula, and it's well known, which is y equal ax plus b. Now let's say I want to make x the subject of the formula. What does this mean? I want to be x equal whatever. So how to do this? This is the simple equation. I think everyone know it. So first thing, I want to remove anything beside x. I have here plus b, so I can put it, I want to put it behind the equal sign. So I will subtract b from here and bring it the other side, which will be y equal y minus b equal ax. Plus b and minus b, it's 0. So I have here a multiplied by x, and I have here y minus b. So if I divide by a, I will get x equal y minus b divided by a. This is it. This is how to arrange a simple formula. But now I want to show you how to do complex one. Okay. Let's say I want to put q, the subject of the formula, in this equation. Minus x divided by p plus q. This is a q. Wait. Q squared. I want to make q the subject of the formula. I want it without the square. So first I will cross multiplication. This is 1. So I will make cross multiplication. I will get a multiplied by p plus q squared equal y plus x. Then I will divide by a. I want q alone. I will divide by a, divide by a. p plus q squared equal y plus x divided by a. Now q squared have p plus p, so I will subtract p from both sides. I will get y plus x divided by a minus p. To remove the square, I will take the square root. But when taking the square root, I get two answers, positive and negative one. I will include this in my answer. Y plus x divided by a minus p. This is what I get if I want to make q the subject of the formula. Okay, now let's take another example. R equal 2 pi square root x divided by g. Here I want to make x the subject of the formula. So first I will divide by 2 pi. I want to remove anything beside x. So r divided by 2 pi equal square root x divided by g. To remove the square root, we will square the equation, of course, from both sides. So we will get r divided by 2 pi squared equal, this will go, the square root, the square will remove it, and we will have x divided by g. Now we'll multiply g like cross multiplication, but I will leave the x here, only I will multiply g here. So r divided by 2 pi all squared multiplied by g equal x This is x, the subject of the formula. Now I want to do more difficult ones. So let's take a divided by b. I want to make for the x plus 1 equal b divided by x. Here I have two x's, but I will have at the end I will get only one x. So simple. First of all, cross multiplication. Whatever comes in your mind first when you look at this is cross multiplication. I can't do anything else. I can't bring the b divided by x. Why shall I bring it beside there and subtract it from this? It doesn't make any sense. So I will make cross multiplication. Bx plus 1. So what else now I can do? Multiply the b by b multiplied by x and by the 1. So I will get b squared x plus b. I want the x. So I will minus subtract b from both sides. I will get b squared multiplied by x. Then I will... Oh, I did a mistake. Look what I did. I want the x. I forgot that I have here an x. I'm sorry. Okay. So here. Now I have two x's. So what I will do, I will bring them together. I will leave the b alone and I will bring b squared multiplied by x beside the ax. So now I have here x and here x. So I can take common factor, x. Here a will stay and here b squared equal b. Now x equal divide b divided by a minus b squared. So this is it. First, what I did, I forgot about the x here and I brought the b. This is totally wrong. So I will bring the b squared x beside the ax and take x common factor, and then I will get x subject of the formula. So we'll do another one. Okay, now we will take square root of a plus 2 equal b minus 3 square root of a minus 2. I want to make a the subject of the formula. What we'll do first, I want to get rid of the square root because it will give me so much trouble. So I'll take the square, both sides. I will get a plus 2 equal b minus 3 squared divided by a minus 2. Then I will cross multiply. So I will get here a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 2 equal b minus 3 squared. I will leave it as it is. Now I want to remind you of something. A plus b multiplied by a minus b. This will give me a squared minus b squared. It's the same as what I have here. I have a plus 2 and a minus 2. So I will get a squared minus 2 squared is 4. So a squared minus 4. Simple. Now if you want to do it in the long way, you also can. Like this, a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 2. Just cross multiply like this. So we will get a squared minus 2a plus 2 minus 4. Minus 2a and plus 2a will cancel. I will get a squared minus 4. From the rule, it's very easy to do from the rule. Now here I will have b minus 3 squared. I want to make a the subject of the formula. So I will bring the 4 to that side. A squared equal b minus 3 squared plus 4 square root, and when I take the square root, we will take the negative and positive answer. I will have b minus 3 squared plus 4. And that's it for today. I hope you found the video useful. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.